I went to the local public school, 9 blocks from my home. New York City gives names to schools. It was called the Robert Fulton School, but we knew it as Public School Number 8 or PS 8. I have absolutely no memory of reading anything but textbooks in this school. The school, forgive me, had no library. Didn't have a gym, didn't have a music room, didn't have an art room. It just had classrooms. All my recreational reading was done at home. As kids, my mother took us to the local Brooklyn Public Library every Friday. At some point, I had my own library card, I don't remember the moment, and that passport to culture and social liberation, and was allowed to walk to the library on my own. It was in my neighborhood. And this library is an important part of a very recent book called Catch You Later, Traitor. Importantly, I was allowed to pick the books I wanted to read. I have no memory whatsoever in my family of ever being told I could not read such and such a book. Indeed, I have little doubt that my reading as a child made me into the writer that I am today.